In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3100 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Once you have bring it up, navigate to the search bar here and type for Epson L3100 driver and hit the enter key, and in that way you would be navigated to the result. So select any of this. Anyway, this page is completely the same as long as it is under appson.com, then that's good. Okay, so once you have clicked on it, you would be navigated to this page where you can see the Epson L3100 or the EcoTank printer driver. So please scroll down on the list and please proceed to clicking on downloads to refresh the page and wait until you can get an option where you can select your operating system. So it will automatically detect the operating system, which is Windows 11, then good. Just scroll down on the list, please proceed to the drivers, and there you can see two drivers. So if you would like to install the scanner driver, click on download. Then once it is being downloaded, double tap it, and you will get a window where you can install that. Okay, and since the target of this video is to go with printer driver, then click on download and wait until it will be downloaded. So before you can download it, it will ask you to agree on the license agreement as well as the scanner driver. Just click on accept to download it entirely. Once done, once you have downloaded it, please navigate here at the download icon. Please proceed to the file that you have downloaded. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, all you need to do is you need to make a right click. Okay, and go with the cat icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one, and from here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. The moment you do it, you would be able to move that here to the desktop. Then you need to move on the extraction. So you can double tap to extract or unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click here and choose the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with it and go with extract to L3110 or L3100 that contains our printer driver. Anyway, they are the same. Okay, so if it's taking some time to appear, I mean the created file here, you can check it manually at the File Explorer by bringing it up, and from here directly proceed to the left pane and proceed to the desktop, and in that way you would be able to see the extracted file. Once you have ensured that it is being extracted, close the window, directly navigate to the start here, make a right click and proceed to the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now here, please navigate to the left side and choose for Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down on the list and please proceed with this option where you can see printers and scanners, and eventually you can get this option, go with add device. So here, you just have to see or wait until you can see this one, add manually, click on it, and in a few moments you would be able to bring up this kind of window. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port and click on next. Once you're good, go with have disk and click on browse. So please proceed to the desktop and scroll down and double tap here. Double tapped, double tapped, and it will show you two drivers. Select any of these two. Anyway, they function similarly, so no worries for that. Click on OK and it will be placed here. Click on Next and rename that into L3100. You may wonder why it appears a different model there. Don't worry because that model works for 3100 as well. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry about. So click on next and it will now start on the installation. Kindly wait until this will be done. Once done, you need to click on next, go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed Epson L3100 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.